When it comes to decisions regarding the home, चाहे हम renting की बात करें या owning की, we are often faced with a decision to choose. Should we go in for a big room or a big balcony? Hi guys, welcome to Realty with Tanvi with Equity Planners. यहाँ पे हम रियल एस्टेट से जुड़े कई ऐसी बातें करते हैं जो आपको आपके डिसीजन मेकिंग में इन योर रियल एस्टेट जर्नी हेल्प करता है. एंड टुडे इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली अ टॉपिक जहाँ वी हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस वेदर वी लाइक इट और नॉट बिटवीन अ बिग रूम एंड अ बिग balcony. So come on, let's explore each one carefully. Now, of course, what the future value of your asset would be is important, but that is not the first criteria जिसके basis पे आप decide करते हो that whether you should go for a big room or a big balcony. Your first consideration is always lifestyle. How you live your life, with whom you live your life, what is your work style like, that really determines. So let's talk about a big room first. Big room obviously means more storage space, it means wardrobes, it means a bigger bed, it means a different corner for probably your getting ready, your makeup counter, or if you are very often, which happens now post-pandemic, if you are working from home, then you can make even a small work from home corner. All of this within your individual setup of a big room. Also, this can happen because when we are talking about families who are living in joint setups, wherein there are children, wherein there are elders, and often you don't have a different space or you have lack of privacy for your own personal corner, a big room can always give you that benefit. And like I said again, if you both are two of you are husband and wife together working and you have work from home, then you can always set up your own small corners or your setups. One person can probably take it outside the room and one person has the option to take it inside the room, which cannot be the case if you have a smaller room. A bigger room also gives you the flexibility of some design elements. अब naturally सबका मन करता है कि बेड थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो या बेड के साइड में you have one sofa and a small cute coffee table, और बेड के साथ आप you can have these nice lavish curtains, you can have like a nice big mirror जहाँ पे आप अपना मेकअप कर सकते हो, आप रेडी हो सकते हो. So all of these facilities come with a big room. Also, you get to do a lot of design elements, right? आप अपने बेड बैग के पीछे पैनलिंग कर सकते हो, आप कुछ एरिया को स्पेशलाइज एक अलग कलर में करना चाहो, एक थीम में करना चाहो, ये सब आपको ऑप्शंस बिग रूम ज़रूर देता है. वहीं बात करें हम अगर बिग बैल्कनी की, तो वो आपको एक ऑप्शन देता है टू गो आउट इन द ओपन स्पेस, टू कनेक्ट विद नेचर, टू गिव यू मेंटल वेलनेस, जो बहुत ज़रूरी है आज की डेट में. You can always go out, have a bigger balcony, have your own zen zone, जहाँ ये सिर्फ आपका टाइम है. अब आप उसको कैसे भी सेट करो, whether you want to do a workout there, you want to sit and just enjoy your morning cup of coffee, you want to read a book, ये सब सारे जो सहूलियत है, ये जो पैशन है, ये सब आपको एक बिग balcony ऑफर करता है. From a design element also, if you have a green thumb, which normally a lot of people do when it comes to big balconies, you can set up vertical gardens, you can set up a beautiful hammock, you can set up swings and you enjoy that outside space and you connect yourself with nature. फिर like I said, आप वहाँ पे अपना बुक पढ़ना चाहो, कॉफ़ी पीना चाहो, and also so many times you have guests over and you can accommodate a larger group of people and enjoy the weather when it is nice and cool outside. एक recent trend जो हमने देखा है high rises में, that people are very fond of working out in their balconies, क्योंकि एक height होती है, एक cleaner air होती है, एक environment है, not only just physically to the eye but a mental calm environment to the brain. So a lot of people now appreciate working out in their balconies, which gives them another type of adrenaline rush. Even though lifestyle is your first criteria in your decision making, but आप overlook नहीं कर सकते about the real estate value, the investment value and the appreciation you're going to get, because the space that you are going in for today, whether it is a space with a bigger room or a space with a bigger balcony, it is going to impact your appreciation value in the future. अभी हम बात करें, traditionally the empirical studies showed that the more carpet area, the bigger the rooms, the bigger the demand for these kind of apartments, and the higher the demand and hence higher the prices. These also gave a lot of solution to a lot of families, joint families moving from one city to another. बट आप recent trends में देखो with the growth of luxury and ultra luxury projects in all of the residential real estate we are talking about industry, there have been a lot of focus on luxury. In fact, a lot of builders selling ultra luxury projects are primarily focusing on creating the carpet area in such a manner that they have big balconies as an offering because it offers exclusivity, and there are many a times that people want to primarily go in for apartments which provide bigger balcony. This exclusivity automatically leads to a higher appreciation value of your investment. My job here is not to tell you कि आपको क्या चूज करना चाहिए, but my job here is to help you in your decision making. तो मैं फिर से इसको सिंप्लीफाई करती हूँ एंड अल्टीमेटली डिसाइड आपको करना है कि आपको बिग रूम चाहिए या बिग बैल्कनी। इसके लिए आप 3 कंसिडरेशंस ले सकते हैं। नंबर 1, थिंक लाइफस्टाइल। आपको क्या पसंद है? डू यू लाइक द कंफर्ट ऑफ अ इनर होम, ऑफ योर इनर सैंक्टिटी? Or do you find a lot of pleasure in being outdoor, to be constantly, in the greens outside? And यहाँ पे आप कौन सी सिटी में रहते हैं और क्या वेदर है वहाँ का भी बहुत ग्रेटली डिटर्मिन करता है। तो ये डिसीजन आपको ज़रूर कंसिडर करेंगे। The second important decision that you're going to take is when you're going to think long term. अब लॉन्ग टर्म में क्या आप या आपके पार्टनर हमेशा वर्क फ्रॉम होम पे रहेंगे, या आप आगे चल के किड्स प्लान करना चाहते हैं, या आपके घर में ऑलरेडी आज छोटे बच्चे हैं या एल्डरलीज हैं जिनके लिए आपको स्पेस चाहिए एंड यू हैव टू फिगर आउट योर हाउस इन सच अ मैनर. सो दिस विल ऑल्सो ग्रेटली इम्पैक्ट योर डिसीजन मेकिंग. और एक और स्टेप है, कॉन्सेप्ट है जो शायद कुछ लोग बिलीव करें कुछ ना करें, बट वास्तु का. तो वास्तु भी ग्रेटली डिटर्मिन करता है कि आपका रूम कहाँ होना चाहिए, आपका बैल्कनी किधर होना चाहिए, क्या साइज होना चाहिए. सो मेनी टाइम्स वास्तु के हिसाब से यू डू हैव टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन द साइज ऑफ द बैल्कनी और द साइज ऑफ द रूम. So these 3 factors will greatly help you in determining your decision. I am not going to tell you whether you should take a big room or a big balcony, because at the end of the day, perfect घर वो ही है जो आपके लिए बेस्ट है, जहाँ आप अपनी लाइफ को एंजॉय करते हो, अपने फैमिली को एंजॉय करते हो और हर एक स्पेस को बिलीव करते हो और एंजॉय करते हो. लेकिन अभी भी कंफ्यूजन हो रही है कि क्या खरीदा जाए, बड़ा घर जिसमें बड़ा रूम हो या ऐसा घर जिसमें बड़ी बैल्कनी हो. And then, my friends, you should call Equity Planners. We are always here to help you. If you like this video, do not forget to comment, like and subscribe. And remember, a big balcony adds soul, a big room adds sense, but the perfect house blends both.